In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Slack on Windows. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. First, you want to open the settings on your Windows computer. The easiest way to do this is by clicking on the Windows search bar at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you've clicked on that, just type the word Apps. You'll see several options pop up, but what we're looking for is Apps and Features. Go ahead and click on that. Now you should see a window that lists all the applications installed on your system. This can potentially be quite a long list, so if you know what you're looking for, you can use the search function to make things easier. In the Apps and Features window, there's a search bar labeled Search This List. Type Slack into that search bar, and it should quickly pull up the Slack application for you. Once you see Slack in the list, it's time to start the uninstallation process. Click on the Slack application. You'll notice that when you click on it, a few options will appear, including an Uninstall button. Go ahead and click on that Uninstall button. Now, a small pop-up will appear asking you to confirm your decision to uninstall Slack. This is just a way for the system to make sure you really want to remove the application. Simply click on the Uninstall button again in that pop-up, and that should be all you need to do. Now, the uninstallation process may take a few moments, depending on your computer's speed and the size of the application. Just be patient as your computer handles the removal. Once it's completed, you should find that Slack is no longer available on your system. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled Slack from your Windows computer. If you had multiple workspaces or applications connected to your Slack account, you may want to make sure you're signed out from those as well, but that's up to you. If you run into any issues during the uninstallation process, perhaps if Slack isn't showing up in the list, you might want to check if the application is still running in the background. Sometimes you may need to close it completely before you can uninstall it. You can do this by right-clicking on the Slack icon in your taskbar and selecting Close Window or Quit Slack. Once again, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Uninstalling software can sometimes feel daunting, but it's really just a few clicks away. I hope this makes your experience a little smoother and helps you manage your applications more effectively.